नमस्कार, हांव साईदत्त कामत आणि स्किल डेव्हलपमेंट अँड एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप हाजेर प्रोग्राम करता करता आमी आज पावल्यात म्हापशा ITI कॅम्पसाक आणि आमच्या बरोबर आसात या ITIचे प्रिन्सिपल सर सुभाष रेडकर. सर, वी वेलकम यू टू द शो.
Thank you.
Sir, when we talk about skill development and entrepreneurship, first of all, what is your take on this skill development and entrepreneurship, and how do you see this as a future?
See, presently the need of the hour is that the students, they acquire skill in different trades, in different branches, because there is a great demand for skill not only in India but across the world. And our Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji has got a dream that we will make India as a hub, like a supply chain for this such skilled manpower. So now the technology is getting advanced. So it's very important that our students get trained in certain skill-oriented courses, because skill is the demand of the present industry.
When we talk about the industries,
Yes.
advanced technology,
Yes.
there is something what we should understand is about awareness of the program. कारण
Yes.
एक फाटी अशें जाता की लोकांक अवेरनेसाचे
Yes.
कांयच खबर आसना.
Yes.
लोकांक ITI म्हणल्यार फक्त हें दिसता, पूण तातूंत भितर फक्त हें आसना, आनीकय खूब गजाली आसता.
Right.
सो स्टुडंट्साक सांगपाचे खातीर किंवा एक
Yes.
अवेरनेस तयार करपा खातीर आनी दुसरें म्हणजे भुरग्याचो रिस्पॉन्स
Yes.
हें हांगा कशे पद्दतीन सद्याक चल्लां?
What we do, we send our instructors. Instructors means teachers who teach students all these trades. We send our instructors to various schools. Now this year they visited total 65 schools. Then they visited around 12 panchayats. They hold presentations in panchayat, at panchayat level, in schools, and even in higher secondaries, and make them aware regarding these all these courses. Plus, our instructors also write articles in the newspapers. That is the excellent thing what they do, and they give a proper information so that any layman can understand what is the use of doing this course. This is very important. And personally speaking, I got a 24 years experience in industry, and now only I have been recently appointed the principal in this ITI. So I also use my contacts for my ITI. Use my contacts to visit various industries for getting for calling them for placement. So we can give placement to students also. We all organize placement fairs. So students also get jobs. Now this year there are so many companies had come. They lifted around more than 100 students. They directly got the jobs. So when there is the news spreads that yes, this ITI is not only teaching the students, but they also take care of placing them in some industries, then we get more better response. So we advertise all these things. We make people aware, yes, that we are not only for teaching, we also strive for giving them job opportunities. Then the people are motivated to send their children to ITI.
जेन्ना आमी ITI म्हणटात तेन्ना फक्त स्किल डेव्हलपमेंट आणि एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप म्हणल्याच म्हणून जायना, त्याच प्रमाणे स्टुडंट्साचे अवेरनेस केले म्हणून जायना. जेन्ना भुरगे हांगा येतात तेन्ना तांच्यो स्किल डेव्हलप करून कितें तरी इनोवेटीव आमकां करचें पडटा. सो हाव डू यू सी दीस इनोवेशन, आणि तुमच्या हांगा ITI भितर अशे तरेचे खंयचे इनोवेशन एक तुमी तयार केल्ले आसा?
Yes, of course. We have done many. Like we got gas leakage detection project. Like suppose there is a gas leakage. Automatically the regulator goes off.
Okay.
So this is the project done by students under the guidance of the instructors.
And I think it is need of the hour also, because there are lots of gas leakages complaints.
Exactly.
In the state as well as in the India. So
Exactly.
I think the leakage problems जेन्ना डिटेक्ट जातले तेन्ना म्हाका दिसता खुबशे लायव्हसूय सेव जावपाचे
Of course.
आसा.
Yes, of course, yes. And then there was one automatic gate opening and closing project, which is done by the students. Then there was one laser home security detection project.
Okay.
Means if any, suppose robber, some unknown person, unwanted person comes, then laser it puts it gets detected. A buzzer will alarm will make the noise.
Okay.
So we know some unwanted person has arrived.
Okay.
So like that, many projects are taken up. Plus, what we got dual system of training also. Means what we do, for few months students are trained here, and for few months, like 5 months, they go, they are placed in industries.
Okay.
So they get the practical experience there. Now what happens when they go work there for 5 months and all, they also, if there are good trainees, those companies pick them up there only.
Correct.
They see the skill and potential of that those trainees and pick them up. So when the student gets passed out from the ITI, he knows what industry is.
So हांगा डेमो केलो थंय वचून लाइव एक्सपिरियन्स घेतले आणि त्याच प्रमाणे इफ यू आर रियली गुड प्लेसमेंटूय थंय मेळ्ळो.
Exactly. So it is not that after learning ITI, then they come to know what is industry. After passing out from ITI, they know what the industry is because they have already taken a practical experience in industry.
So this is as far as your present is concerned.
Yes.
What about future? कारण जेन्ना आमी भविष्य पळयतात तेन्ना आमकां खूबश्यो गजाली प्लॅन करच्यो पडटात.
Yes.
So what are your future plans?
Future plans, firstly now we are presently, although we are MAPUSA ITI, we are presently located at Purvarim. So our the big building is coming up.
Okay.
Around 3-floor building is coming up in MAPUSA. So that's the big project. So it will be accommodating around 20 to 22 trades.
Achha, nice.
So it will be the biggest ITI. Okay. And then Goa government has also made a collaboration with Tata Technologies.
Okay.
And together, along with the help of Tata Technology, we are introducing latest courses in the ITI. Now recently in our ITI, we have introduced Internet of Things.
Okay.
Now what is Internet of Things? In a layman's language, I'll tell you. Engineer can control the RPM of the motors or the any other mechanism of the machines through internet by sitting at home.
Okay.
So in case of night shift, if that engineer is not present and he is required and he is not able to come to the factory, he can regulate from there.
Achha.
So this is the Internet of Things. This training we already imparted recently. Now we are also going to start now next week 3D printing training.
Okay.
So this all with the help of Tata. It is a big project of around 267 crores or something. So along with Goa government, we are doing this.
So as far as future is concerned, hatuk bhitari आणि development
Yeah, and these are the latest and modern courses.
Achha, okay.
Very, very latest courses. Also now we have signed memorandum of MOUs with different companies like Tata, with Taj Industries, also Taj Hotels also.
So हे MOUs म्हणतात ते memorandum of understanding. हे फक्त MOUs काय? It is also a CSR activity.
These are actually MOUs because it's a part of the dual system of training. So it is not a CSR responsible. CSR, it doesn't come under CSR.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
इतलेच खातीर विचारलें कारण जे लोक आमचे पळयतात तांकां मागीर कितें तरी एक मनाक डावट आसता की CSR एक्टिविटी काय हो MOU सायन केल्लो आसा कारण देर इज अ डिफरन्स आनी ते पळोवनूच मागीर खंय तरी आनीकय अवेरनेस तयार जाता आनी जेन्ना आमी अवेरनेस तयार जावन जेन्ना भुरगे येता म्हणटात तेन्ना प्रत्येक ITIचो एक कितें तरी स्पेशल मुवमेंट जो आसता तोय तांकां सांगचो पडटा. सो असो खंयचो एक स्पेशल मुवमेंट आसा तुमच्या ITIक भितर हांगा जो तुमी हांगा हायलायट करपाक शकतात?
Here I am very proud to mention that in the year 2021, one of the instructor from COPA section, she got Best Instructor Award at All India level. Then in 2018, one trainee got a Best Trainee Award in COPA section at All India level. And recently, one more instructor got received award from the hands of Honorable President as Best Instructor Award at All India national level. So these are our biggest achievements.
So हे तीनय आसा ते COPA section?
No, one is one who recently received. She is cosmetology section, and other two are COPA section.
Okay,
Yeah.
nice.
Yes.
Okay, so thank you so much, sir. While concluding, I would just like to ask you one question. Anything special or anything extra you would like to mention about this ITI?
Yeah, definitely. About this ITIs, one thing I want to stress upon that presently all our ITIs are performing very well under the leadership of our director, Mr. S.S. Gaukar. He has been our source of inspiration because what he is not directly sitting, he has not directly sat on the director post. He has been instructor. Then he got promoted to principal level. So he has a wide experience. So he motivates all the principals. He motivates them. So obviously, when we get motivation from him, we motivate our trainees and instructors also. So and presently, since he knows the he has come from grassroots level, he knows the minute technical things. So he is able to caution us and even catch us because he has got full technical knowledge. So he is doing very well and is a source of inspiration for us. So through this your RDX channel, I would like to make a request to our Honorable Chief Minister that what our dream Mr. Modi ji is looking for Skill India mission, and for which our Honorable CM is really striving for. This department remains with our Gaukar sir for minimum next 5 years. The way he is doing it, because he gives a lot of surprise visits also. He enters the workshops. He finds out the faults also sometimes. He tells the instructor how he can do it better, more technical knowledge. So Honorable CM should keep this department with him for another at least 5 years. So we can achieve this Skill India mission. We can fulfill the dream of our respected Prime Minister.
गोंयाक एक म्हण आसा की जेन्ना कंपनीचो मालक वचून आपूण स्वता लक्ष घालता तेन्ना ते सगळे सारकें चलता. आनी म्हाका दिसता हेच आमचे डायरेक्टर सहीत सर सेम करतात. आनी थँक्यू सो मच रेडकर सर फॉर जॉयनिंग अस. आज तुम्ही पळयलां आसतलें की कशा तरेन आनी कशा पद्दतीन आमी स्कील डेव्हलपमेंट आनी एंटरप्रेन्योरशीप म्हणटा आसतनाच इनोवेशन, क्रिएटिविटी आनी मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंटली इन्स्पिरेशन हें कितें आसता हें आमकां हांगा म्हापसा ITI घेतकीर कळ्ळें. म्हणूनच पळयत रावात RDX गोवा. दॅट साईदत्त कामत फॉर यू. थँक्यू सो मच.